Okay, hello Year 9 and welcome to, I don't want to scare you off, but a trickier lesson. It is and it isn't. If you learn the rules, you're absolutely fine. It's just a step-by-step thing, but it's just a little bit more, well, it's a bit newer. Something that's not quite grained into your brains yet. But that's the whole point. That's why we're doing it. That's how we're going to get more and more confident. And by the end of it, I'm hoping a lot of you will be thinking, oh yeah, this is nice and easy. Okay? So we're just going to talk about, this is a frequency table. So the lesson is mean from a table. This is a frequency table. And it just tells you how many certain things come up or people have or whatever. Anyway, I'll show you. So for the first one, I'm not even going to ask you to find the mean. I'm just going to ask you what the table means. No pun intended there, okay? Sorry for the bad dad jokes going all over the place. So this says books read this week. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so students have either read no books, 1 book, 2 book, or 3 books so far this week. Frequency is just a fancy way of saying how many. Please remember that. If you don't know that, right, pause it, write down frequency equals how many, and then unpause it and carry on with this lesson. Okay, because that is such a key word. Right, I want us to say what this table is the same as if we just had normal numbers like the other day when we were doing sort of all, averages and all that sort of stuff. I want to write it like just the numbers, okay? So let's just write out what this table means. Well, there are 4. How many people read 0 books? Well, how many is 4? So I'm just going to write 0, 0, 0, 0. How many read 1 book? 5 people. So that's like having 5 ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. How many had 2? 2 people read 2 books. So I'm just going to write 2, 2. And how many people read 3 books? 2 people read 3. So I'm going to write 3, 3. So if I wanted to, I can just change that there into what it means and then go from there and work out the mean, the median, but just by putting these all as a long line. So I'd write 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, I don't know if I said the right number there, but you know what I mean. You get the idea. Okay, just write all those out in a line. Now, that's all well and good, but obviously if this frequency was 24, 37, 52, 18 or whatever, you don't want to be doing that. So I will come up with better ways, but I just wanted to make sure, let's look at it, the basics first. Do you understand what this table means? This table means there are 4 zeros. There they are, okay? There are 5 ones, 2 twos, and 2 threes. Boom, 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 okay? So if we understand that, it might help us get our head around the next bit. Right, so I'm going to do a bit more. Here's an example of finding the mean. And, well, let's have a go, okay? So, there are 3 people that have read 0 books. So I'm just going to put in brackets. You don't need to do this bit because hopefully you get a pattern and you realise, but that's 0, 0, 0. How many books have those guys read in total? None. If I put them all together, I've got 3 people that have read no books. I say, right, okay, all come stand here. All right, how many books have you all read? 0, 0, 0. What's that in total? Oh, 0. Okay. 1 person that's read 1 book. So that's 1. Okay. 2 people have read 2. Between them, they've read 4 books. 3 people have read 3, 3, 3, 3. That's 9 books between them. And there's 1 person, frequency 1, that's read 4 books. So that makes 4. So if I got all of those together, and I don't know if you've noticed, to get this number here, you can just times those. So rather than write them all out, just times them. I don't need this bit here. That's just the sort of like, that is what's happening. But I can just do that times that, that times that. And this will get us the total books that all the people that read no books read, or the 1 book, the 2 books, and so on. But if I add that all together, that's just giving me the total books read. All of the books read by all the people added up. So I've got 1, 5, 14, 18. 18 books those students read. Now I want the mean average, which means I want the total books, which I just found, and I want to divide by how many. Now, how many is all of these things added together, because there are 3 people who read none, 1 person who read 1, 2, 3. So these are all the people. I'm just going to add that up. 3, 4, 6, 9, 10. So I've got a total over here, and I'm going to divide it by the total frequency. Okay, so I'm going to write total divided by frequency, and that's 18 divided by 10, which is 1.8. And that is my mean. There, done. So times, add that all up, add up the total frequency, and then do this one on the right divided by this one on the left to get your mean. Boom. Okay? Give you 2 questions. The one below, you're allowed a calculator. Okay, pause it, have a go, and then come back to me. Right. Question. It's all right, I'm just at the same time, I just suddenly realised I better get a calculator for the second one so I can help you through it. And rather than go get it from another room and leave you here waiting, I'll just put it up on the computer. Right, so first one, sorry, apologies. I'm back in it. To find the mean, we're just going to times all these together. Boom, 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 boom. Bigger table, but still the same idea. 0, 1 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 0 is 0, 4 5s are 20, 5 7s are 35, 6 4s are 24, 7 1s are 7, 8 2s are 16. I'm then going to add all them together. 2, 22, 57, 101, 108, 124. Let me just double check that. 16, 23, 47, 52, 82, 102, 104. Wow, I've done one of them wrong then. Let's check. 16, 23, 47, 82, 102, 104. Good job, I checked. It's always worth checking these sort of things. 2, 22, 57, 81, 88. Yeah, 104. God, I forgot that wrong. I definitely got it wrong. Right, okay, so I'm then going to add these all up. 1, 6, 13, 17, 18, 20. And I made it 20 on purpose so that we could actually do 104 divided by 20. 104 divided by 20 is equal to the same as 52 over 10, which is 5.2. There's your mean. And if you think about it, that puts us around here, and there's not many around this end, there's a lot more at this end, so that does make sense for it to be. Always double check that that sort of average makes sense. Next question. Okay, you're allowed a calculator with this one, so you could use that to times if you want, but no more is if you don't. But I would double check some of the harder ones, just so you don't make a silly mistake like I just did. I did correct it though, so fair play. If, you know, as long as you, at the end of the exam, as long as you get it right when you hand in your paper, then that's absolutely fine. So if you do make mistakes, try and correct them, obviously. You double check with calculators if you've got one in the exam, just to make sure at the very end that you're absolutely fine. Okay, so let's see if I can do a better job this time. 6, 22, 37, 41, 53, 60. Double check. 19, 23, 38, 54, 60. Yeah, I'm going to go with that. And then this 8, 16, 21, 22, 24, 25. Now 60 does not go too nicely into 25. I'm going to put 60 divided by 25 in calculator. 60 over 25. There are other ways to have done that without a calculator actually. I'm not going to go through it now because it's calculator allowed, but 2.4. Okay? Right, that's your lesson 3 of this week. So you've got some more practice on these as lesson 4, and next week, of course, there will be another lesson and a video lesson, another worksheet, another quiz again, and the test. All right, good luck, guys. See you later. Bye.